Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the roaster ready. Inspect for cleanliness and fit, then preheat both oven and roaster to the recipe temperature. Once hot, season the pan quickly with 1-2 tablespoons of oil so juices don't stick. This also promotes even browning. Make sure handles and rack are positioned for airflow. The why: preheating seals surface proteins and creates Maillard reactions, so you get a crisp exterior and concentrated juices inside. You now place the meat or vegetables onto the rack so air circulates under and around the food. Insert a probe thermometer into the thickest part. Once done, add 0.5 cup of liquid to the pan to collect drippings and prevent smoking. Aromatics go in next for flavor. Monitor temperature and rotate the rack halfway through to promote even cooking. If your recipe calls for basting, do it every 20 to 30 minutes to enrich surface flavor and color. You finish by removing the roast at the target internal temperature and tenting it loosely with foil to rest for 10 to 20 minutes so juices redistribute. This prevents dry slices. While resting, pour pan drippings through a strainer, deglaze with stock or wine, and reduce to a glossy sauce. If the exterior is over-browned before the center is done, lower oven to 120-150 degrees and continue cooking gently until the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.